We get $64 a pound for these onions. No joke, no lie. We're going to show you how we do it coming up next. Egyptian walking onions, that's what these are. A perennial onion. Most onions are biennial. The second year they go to seed, they have that big oleum flower, which turns to seed and drops, and it'll grow the following season. Or you can harvest those seeds, plant them yourselves. But most onions are a biennial crop. The Egyptian walking onions, Allium proliferum, is a perennial onion. It will come back year after year. And it tastes just like a scallion or a green onion. If you were to harvest and eat the leaf, not too strong. Or you can work a bulb out. Actually, these are flowering, so they're a little bit more rigid. Just reach down. Can you see that with the camera?
Yes.
And work it out. You can pull a bulb out. This one didn't come out with the roots, and you can just peel the skin off. And you've got yourself a green onion. But like I said, these are flowering right at the moment. Not the best time to harvest them and eat them, but they taste fine. So the main difference, instead of having that big oleum flower, on the top it's more like a garlic and it has bulblets. And then when the flower stalk dries out, it falls to the ground and it'll pin itself and grow an all new onion set. Here we see some that have naturally just fallen to the ground here. And then it'll pin itself to the ground and it'll grow another clump of onions. And if we pull one off for the camera, that's what it looks like on the top. And it's got these little bulbs in here that once again will grow into a full new onion, or a cluster of them will grow into a group of onions. So we'll plan out an ounce of them into a pot, and we get $4 for this little starter set for 1 ounce of the onions. We also sell the bulblets on eBay, on Amazon. We'll put links in the description for you in case you want to get your own patch started. And at $4 an ounce, once again, that comes to $64 a pound. Now you can only harvest these bulblets once per year, but throughout the entire year, you can go ahead and eat yourself green onions, the onion stalks. You can pull out, they don't bulb, but you can have yourself a green onion in your salad or to cook with. And the beautiful thing is that if you're in a warm enough climate, they'll hold right through the winter. They grow in zones 3 to 9. So there you go. Allium proliferum, perennial onion, $64 a pound we get for them, and we eat them all year long. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and most of all, come grow with us.